Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the part 2 of our CDSO certification. In today's video, we will clearly understand what is CDSO cosmetic registration, who requires it, and import versus the manufacturing license, step-by-step processes, and their required documents. If you are a cosmetic importer, manufacturer, this video will give you a complete overview in simple terms. So, why cosmetic registration is important? Cosmetic are widely used for cleansing, beautifying, and enhancing appearance. Since these products are directly applied to the human body, quality and safety become critical. To ensure consumer protection, the Government of India mandates cosmetic licensing under the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and the Cosmetic Rule 2020. Without proper registration, cosmetic cannot be legally imported or manufactured in India. So, what is CDSO? CDSO or Central Drug Standard Control Organization operates under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It regulates drugs, medical devices, cosmetic. And for the cosmetic, import registration is handled by the Central Licensing Authority under CDSO. And for manufacturing license, are issued by the State Licensing Authority. And what are the cosmetic import registration process? For importer, registration is obtained under Rule 13 of the Cosmetic Rule 2020. The application is submitted online through Form COS 1 on the Sugam portal. And the basic steps for this is document preparation, online application submission, fee payment, review by the designated officer, approval and grant of the import registration certificate. And the documents required are company incorporation document, product technical documentation, product test report from approved labs, power of attorney for the authorized signatory, and risk analysis documentation, product labeling and packaging details, and clinical evidence if applicable. If any discrepancies are found, queries are raised on the portal and must be resolved before the approval. Now, come to cosmetic manufacturing license. For Indian manufacturers, a cosmetic manufacturing license must be obtained from the SLA, that is State Licensing Authority. This involves facility assessment, gap analysis and remediation, documentation preparation, application and inspection, license issuance. Inspection may be conducted before license approval. Proper labeling compliance is also mandatory before product is launched. And the documents required for this are factory license and layout, quality management system documentation, equipment qualification records, personal qualification records, and environmental monitoring records, calibration and maintenance records, and training records. Documents requirements may vary depending on the product type and the category. And in the next part, we will discuss common mistakes that delay cosmetic registration approvals. If you found this helpful, subscribe for the more regulatory compliance insights. Thanks for watching. For more information, you can contact us. Email us at the cs@absoluteveritas.com and call us at 7303215033. And you can also visit our website, that is absoluteveritas.com.